Hey there, it's Justin here from the BookLikeABoss team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use custom pages. So you can go to your booking pages and click the custom pages option. Now let's click on add new page. For this video as an example, we'll call this your privacy policy page. In the name area, which is for your use only, meaning only you can see that, we'll just put privacy policy as well. Here you can add the content of this page, then click save. If you want to customize this page with your own banner or cover photo, you can do so by clicking this cover photo here. Or if you want to add a video or photo, just go to Gallery right here and click Add Photo or Video. So one of the uses of your custom pages is making it part of your custom fields. Let me show you how that works. If you go to Products and Services or an appointment, click Edit, you can make that privacy policy part of your custom fields. Now click Add New Custom Field, name it Privacy Policy, and make it a checkbox. Now here on the description, we'll say, by checking this box, I'm agreeing to the privacy policy, and then link your privacy page. Just highlight this and then add your privacy page URL. Next is to make sure that it's set as required, then click Save. So when someone books you, they'll see the checkbox with the privacy policy link. They will need to check it before proceeding. And that's how you use custom pages. I hope that helps.